Proteinuria, the presence of excess protein in the urine, is often a sign of kidney damage or disease. While medical treatment is crucial, certain natural remedies and drinks may support kidney health and help manage proteinuria. Here are 9 drinks that may benefit kidney function. 1. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is well known for its role in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can help reduce the risk of kidney infections. It contains compounds that prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, supporting overall kidney health. 2. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Blueberry juice can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, promoting better kidney function. 3. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is packed with antioxidants and has been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. It may help improve kidney function and reduce proteinuria. 4. Lemon water. Lemon water can help in detoxifying the kidneys and promoting urine production. The citric acid in lemons can help prevent kidney stones, which can indirectly improve kidney function. 5. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been shown to improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney damage. Regular consumption may help manage proteinuria. 6. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea has been found to have diuretic properties, which can help increase urine output and flush out excess protein from the kidneys. It also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. 7. Ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help protect the kidneys from damage. Ginger tea can promote better kidney function and aid in managing proteinuria. 8. Nettle leaf tea. Nettle leaf tea is a traditional remedy for supporting kidney health. It has diuretic properties that can help flush out toxins and excess proteins from the kidneys. 9. Dandelion root tea. Dandelion root tea acts as a natural diuretic and can help cleanse the kidneys. It promotes urine production and helps remove excess protein from the urine. Tips for including these drinks in your diet. Moderation. While these drinks can be beneficial, consuming them in moderation is key. Excessive intake of certain juices, like cranberry or pomegranate, can lead to other health issues. Sugar content. Opt for unsweetened versions of these juices to avoid excess sugar intake, which can negatively impact kidney health. Hydration. Maintaining overall hydration is crucial for kidney health. Ensure you are drinking enough water throughout the day. Consultation with healthcare provider. Before making significant changes to your diet or adding new drinks to your routine, especially if you have a pre-existing kidney condition or other health issues, it is important to consult with your healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs.